The shrimp is clean, deveined. Alrighty, has the shell off. I peeled it. I kept the tail on. Alrighty, so now what we're going to do is we're just going to pour a little bit of our olive oil. Alrighty. So with the shrimp, we're going to go ahead and lay our shrimp down. All right, so the shrimp are going to be nice and easy. I'm going to go ahead and sprinkle a little bit of salt. And I'm going to use a little bit of pepper. That's it for the shrimp. We're going to keep it nice and simple with the seasoning. So go ahead and let it sear nicely on both sides. Again, only salt and pepper with the shrimp. And of course, the extra virgin olive oil I use to base the skillet. So the shrimp are already halfway cooked. We're going to go ahead and flip these babies. Look at that. Okay. Go ahead and flip them. Let that olive oil hit that other side nice. Just literally, I'll just use the little handle so you can help that oil get around the whole skillet again. So go ahead and add a little bit more salt for the other side. And add a little bit of pepper as well. Okay. Go ahead and press them down now that they're basically done. All right, we'll go ahead and flip it over one more time just to press it. These shrimp are done. What you do not want is overcooked shrimp. So go ahead and take them out. I just want I sort of want these to look nice and seared, the shrimp and the chicken. So I just want to go in and press a little bit more to get that nice cast iron color. And I'm gonna go ahead and take these babies out. When it's time to take the shrimp out, I love my cutting boards. This is where I love to rest my meat. I'm going to just go ahead and place it right next to the chicken. The chicken is all the way cooked. The shrimp is all the way cooked. I will still separate it, but this is not cross-contamination. Just let the ones know that like to look for that. Alrighty. Look at that nice juice in the meat. Beautiful, okay? We'll go ahead and place the last of our shrimp in this skillet. And let these go ahead and sear as well. Look at that. Ooh, beauty, baby. Beauty, baby. Beauty, baby. Okay. And if you're watching this video, you see chicken on the side because this was actually originally a video that I made for one of my shrimp or my chicken pasta dishes. But I made this separate for people that just want a recipe on seared shrimp. So this is how you make nice seared shrimp. And they're just freaking amazing. You can use the sauce if you like on the side, but literally these taste good just as is, just like this. You can put it on a salad. You can literally just load this in a bowl and eat it. You can put it on the side with some nice creamy, maybe mushroom risotto. That sounds so good right now. You can do anything with it, but this is just a nice simple recipe. Literally some nice shrimp, salt, pepper, squeeze a lemon. That's it on your cast iron skillet so you can get that nice color on it. All right, this your girl J. Kell signing out.